Hi, my name is Talitha and I just turned 21 this February. I started taking art lessons at the art studio when I was 3 and I've been hooked ever since. I decided early on that I wanted to pursue art, and so I decided to go to college for studio arts. When I was in 11th grade, I started attending college classes. Recently, I received my bachelor's in arts at Cal State LA and I graduated summa cum laude. I got my associate's in arts degree at Pasadena City College 1 semester after I graduated from high school. And I graduated on the Dean's List and on the honors roll. I was part of the 2022 senior exhibition at Cal State LA, where a lot of my artwork was displayed in their gallery. When I attended art classes at the art studio as a child and as a teen, throughout my formative years, there have been a lot of support coming from the studio and from the instructors at the studio. And I just feel that the studio played such a large role in my life. And I just feel that because the instructors were so informative and supportive, I just felt like that's something that I also want to do for the upcoming generation of artists. I also want to support them and teach them what I learned at the studio and at college and help them accomplish their goals as I have. In elementary school, I was part of numerous art contests which I won, and I also had the opportunity to, out of dozens of students, have my painting of the Pasadena City Hall sent to the mayor of Pasadena, and with that I got a letter thanking me in return. And later on, when I was in high school, I was able to actually take a history class under Mayor Tornick's son, and through him I was able to also send another painting I did of the Colorado Bridge, and I got another thank you note from him and a letter saying that he was putting it up in his office for display. Thank you so much. It's wonderful to be a part of the crew.